Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what is measured fill on your Whirlpool fridge. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Whirlpool fridge and are wondering what is measured fill. Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But with that, what measured fill is that if you click on it once, you're going to be able to measure out how much water you want to come out of your unit. So if I click on, let's say 0.5 liters and then click on measured fill, it will dispense. It'll actually dispense 0.5 liters, as you can see here. Now with it though, I've realized that this really isn't accurate as far as how much water is actually coming out. Like this isn't equivalent to 0.5 liters, but it's a really neat way to actually go ahead and dispense water and walk out, go use the bathroom, and then come back and actually have water within your cup without you actually having to go ahead and press and hold here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way for me to explain what is measured fill. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.